Jackson Peters. Jackson Peters, you've been smiling. You want to smile again for Mommy? Do you like your new bouncy chair? Bouncy, bouncy baby. The bouncy, bouncy baby. Jackson Peters. Jackson Peters. Yay, Jax. Yay, Jackson. Do you like your new bouncy chair, huh? Do you like your chair? Yeah? Can I get some more of those smiles? Where are those smiles? Where's the pretty smiles you have for Mama? Where's the pretty smiles? There you go. There's that pretty smiles. There's my pretty smiles. Oh yeah. Brooke's an Instagrammer too. She'll love the pretty smiles. Can we see more pretty smiles, huh? Can we see more pretty smiles? Jackson Peters. Jackson Peters. Can you smile? Where's that pretty smiles? Huh? Where's the pretty smiles? Where Jack's pretty smiles? Where my baby smiles? Uh-huh. Such a pretty boy. You're such a pretty boy. Say hi to Grandma, who smiles. Who smiles. Yeah. Can we get one more nice smiles? Come on, get one more nice smiles. Can we get one more nice smile, baby Jax? Where's that nice smile? Where's that nice smile? Where's that baby smiles? Say I love you. I love you. I love you, Jackson Peters. Can't see your mouth. I love you.